Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we'll be your virtual tour guides through the incredible city of Delhi, the vibrant capital of India. Get ready for an unforgettable journey as we explore the top attractions, delve into the rich history, savor the mouthwatering cuisine, and experience the vibrant culture that Delhi has to offer. Let's dive right in. Red Fort. Our first stop is the iconic Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Delhi's glorious past. Built in the 17th century, this massive fortress showcases exquisite architecture and offers a glimpse into the Mughal era. Take a leisurely stroll through its beautiful gardens, visit the Diwan-i-Khas, Hall of Private Audience, and soak in the historical significance of this magnificent structure. Jama Masjid. Next, we have Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India. This architectural masterpiece was constructed by Emperor Shah Jahan and can accommodate over 25,000 worshippers. Climb to the top of the minaret for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city, and don't forget to explore the bustling lanes of Old Delhi surrounding the mosque, filled with aromatic spices, colorful textiles, and street food galore. Humayun's Tomb. Moving on, let's visit Humayun's Tomb, another UNESCO World Heritage Site and a marvel of Mughal architecture. This mausoleum was built in the 16th century and is the final resting place of Emperor Humayun. Its grandeur and symmetrical gardens serve as an inspiration for the famous Taj Mahal. Take a serene walk around the complex and admire the intricate craftsmanship that adorns every corner. India Gate. No visit to Delhi would be complete without a visit to India Gate, a prominent landmark and a tribute to the soldiers who sacrificed their lives in World War I. This massive archway stands tall at the heart of Delhi and offers a perfect spot for picnics, leisurely walks, and capturing memorable photographs. It's especially mesmerizing in the evening when the monument is beautifully illuminated. Chandni Chowk. And of course, we can't forget to mention Chandni Chowk, one of the oldest and busiest markets in Delhi. Lose yourself in the chaotic yet vibrant lanes, filled with shops selling everything from textiles and jewelry to mouthwatering street food. Indulge in local delicacies like parathas, chaat, and the famous jalebis. This is the perfect place to experience the true flavors and colors of Delhi. Qutub Minar. Our next destination is the towering Qutub Minar, the tallest brick minaret in the world. Admire the intricate carvings and the architectural brilliance of this ancient monument. Don't forget to explore the nearby Qutub complex, where you'll find fascinating ruins and the iconic Iron Pillar. Lotus Temple. Let's now explore the beautiful Lotus Temple, a symbol of peace and unity. Its distinctive lotus-shaped architecture is a sight to behold. Step inside and experience the tranquility that envelops this Baha'i house of worship. The serene ambiance makes it an ideal place for meditation and reflection. And that concludes our journey through Delhi's top destinations and delicious cuisines. Whether you're exploring historical landmarks, immersing yourself in spirituality, or savoring the diverse culinary delights, Delhi has it all. We hope this guide has ignited your wanderlust and inspired you to plan your own adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!